Hello, so I actually got this on release date, but I'm just now getting to uploading and editing this video. Whoops. So I had actually been waiting for the new iPad Pro to be released since like forever. So whenever I checked out the website and saw this, I knew it was coming. I was so excited. So I went on Twitter, saw that Tim posted, and I knew it was time. I saw that the regular iPad actually got more changes than the Pro, but I still went with the Pro. Since I pre-ordered the iPad, I received my Apple Pencil first, so this is me unboxing that. So let's unbox it. I don't know if you can hear outside, it's raining like a lot, but it's pretty cool. It's kind of satisfying. Look at this. But I'm so ready to unbox this Apple Pencil. Ooh. I love this little foggy plastic thing. Look how cute that looks. I don't know why I like this material. It looks so nice against the blue. Okay. Oh, this is so satisfying. Designed by Apple in California. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it's like the customized. I thought this was engraved, but it doesn't look to be engraved. It just looks to be like inked on top of it. But yeah, I got a customized pencil. Doesn't really focus, but I just put my little customized text in there. So cute. And then it comes with this little wrap, but I'm actually not gonna unwrap it until I get the iPad because I don't want to like ruin it or mess it up. But yeah, this is nice. I guess we can see this. I don't think the Apple Pencil comes with Apple stickers. Let's just see what's inside here. Probably just instruction manual, and I guess how to remove the tip. I wish they would like provide you with free tips. Like, come on, dude. $120 I spent on this, and then this week it's on sale for fucking $90 on Best Buy, which makes me so pissed. But hey, at least mine is customized, I guess. I don't know. But here's my pencil. So I was super excited to finally get my iPad. I had wanted one for a couple of years, so I couldn't wait, honestly. Also, this is the first device that I have ever pre-ordered and got on release day, so that made it even more exciting for me. Before ordering, I was still really unsure on what size I wanted, so for some reason I thought I was going to get the 11-inch space gray, but after going to Best Buy just to make sure if that was the one that I wanted to order, I ended up going the complete opposite way, getting the 12.9-inch iPad Pro and getting it in silver. Honestly, I was kind of scared of the size since I was going to be carrying it around with me on campus like every day along with my laptop, but after having it for like almost 2 months, or I don't know, since ever it got released, I've been really liking it and I haven't regretted it yet, so I'm really happy with my purchase so far. After I set up my iPad, I put my iPad in the cute little blue case that I got from Amazon. It's honestly really prone to get dirty since it's like a very light case, but it looks really cute against the space, or not space gray, but against the silver color of the iPad, and it's just really nice. I love it. Now this baby blue has become my favorite color because of this case. It's so pretty. Also got this shiny film screen protector from Amazon. I know like paper-like screen protectors are all the rave right now, but honestly I didn't want to ruin the beautiful screen that comes with this 12.9-inch iPad. Like, I paid way too much for it. And then I also saw that the glass screen protectors tend to interfere with the Apple Pencil when you're drawing, so I went with this thin film screen protector. It was super hard to find because I guess nobody buys like shiny film screen protectors anymore, but I've liked it so far. It does have a lot of glare though, so little heads up for that. So anyways, I've really been liking the power of the iPad Pro so far. Like, I've been playing lots of Sims free play. I've been, playing lots of solitaire, ranking up in it. And I also edited this video just to test it out. So yeah, this whole video was edited on this iPad using the Premiere Rush. But I know DaVinci Resolve is out now, so I'm probably gonna try that up next. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a beautiful, wonderful rest of the day, and bye!